Do you have a whole lot of paper receipts lying around? Maybe some invoices that you need to capture and record that information. Well, stick around, and in this video I'll show you a quick and easy way to create an expense app that will capture all that information automatically. Hi, my name is Kevin and I'm the owner and lead consultant of NC South. So we empower your business by implementing the best no-code tools or solutions for your needs. If you're interested in talking more, or you find any of the information in this video interesting, feel free to head over to our website and book a free, no obligation 30-minute discovery call. So to achieve this, we're going to rely on a few different tools. So I acknowledge that there's probably 100 different ways of doing this, but I found this particular way to be pretty easy and straightforward. So the first tool we'll use is Fillout. It's great for creating forms that you can share with your clients or with external parties. You can also set up some portals and integrate with a whole lot of different other tools. The second one is Make. So we'll use that for some of our automation orchestration. And then Eden AI. It's a great AI aggregator that you can tap into different AI tools or providers in one single location. So we'll use that to do the parsing of our documents to extract that information. And then finally, we'll use SmartSuite to store all that information so we can easily access it in the future. So the first tool we'll set up is Fillout. So once you've logged in, you'll be on the home page. So creating a new form is really easy. You can go new form. You can start off with a blank form, one of the templates, or connect with some other application straight away. Probably easier to just start with a blank form and then add fields and things as you need. So I've already created one, so I won't go through that process again. But once you've created the form, so I've just added two fields here, drop down where you can select which type of document we're uploading and the actual document upload option. So all of these are available on the left here, so you can just drag in any fields that you like to build out your form. The other thing we had to do is go to the integrations and link up this form with Make. So you'll see there's the option here, and it's still in beta. I won't click on that again because I've already linked it. But again, when you do, you'll be redirected to Make, and you'll see a screen like this where you can just install the Fillout option from there. Yeah, so once you've got all of that hooked up, that's all good to go from a Fillout perspective. You can also preview your form from here, which shows you what the form would look like to clients or customers, or for yourself if you're going to use it. And you can also switch between desktop and mobile to see the different layouts. So next we want to set up SmartSuite. So for our use case, I've set up two apps. So one expenses and one line items. So in the expenses app, we're capturing the merchant. So wherever you've spent the money for the receipt, or if there's an invoice, what the date was, subtotal, tax total. We'll upload the actual document in here. Specify what the document type was. So from that Fillout drop down, if it's a receipt or an invoice, and then we're also linking to the line items app. So the line items app is where we'll capture each line item from the receipt or the invoice. We'll capture the description, the quantity, the unit price, and the total. And that obviously will get linked back to the expenses. And finally, we're in Make to set up where a lot of the magic is going to happen. So first of all, I've obviously created all of this already, but adding a new module is easy. It's just double click and then you can select which module you want to add. Won't go through all of that now. There's a lot of information online on how to set up scenarios and things in Make. I'll just get rid of that one. So the first one is obviously checking for any form submissions from Fillout. So in this one, we've linked to Fillout, and that will just check whenever a new form is submitted, it'll run this scenario. The next one is where we're capturing, or we're going to parse any document that was uploaded through Fillout. We're using just an API call for this one. There's others that, or other modules available under Eden AI, where you can select the different type of actions you want to perform. So, but for this one, we're just sending this to their receipt parser endpoint, specifying some providers that we want to use. In our case, we're just using Verify. And then the file that was submitted through Fillout, we're capturing that. Next one on SmartSuite. So now all that information that we've passed out of the receipt or the invoice, we want to send over to SmartSuite. So that's easily done by just tapping into the information from the Eden AI module and sending that to SmartSuite. I've also added this iterator tool. The main function for this one is to go through those line items one by one and creating new records in SmartSuite. So in this one, we're linking to the line items app that we set up. It'll just create those line items one by one as it iterates through the line items. I was failed to mention in this one, in this particular module, we're connecting to that expenses app that we've got in SmartSuite. All right, so now we can put all of that together and see how it works. Starting off on our Fillout form, we'll do a receipt first. Upload the receipt. So if you were doing this on your phone, you'd probably be able to just take a photo of the receipt. We'll submit that. Then we'll switch over to SmartSuite. Look at our expenses app. It'll take a minute or so. So in the background, this is now running through that make scenario, extracting the information from that receipt, and then it will populate those fields in our app. There we go. And it links to the line items. So it's also created the line item records and link that back to the expenses. We can flick back to here and do one for an invoice, just to show you the difference. Submit that, and again, switch back to SmartSuite and wait for that one to show up. And there we go. And again, creating the records for the line items and linking that back to our expenses. There you go. As you can see, it works really well and highlights the power of just adding a few no-code tools together. If you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel, as we'll be adding more content in the near future. Take care.